would sometimes get like herbst. And sometimes I'd want him to sleep with me, and I'd be sleeping like I just had probably a double bed at this point.
I will be your host for episode 5. Please follow my instructions precisely. You have received a sealed envelope. Inside is a book and a personal reading light.
I will share.
You share? You just want it for the experience, right? Yeah. You don't really want to.
You work so hard. You just work so hard, and you want it so bad. But I want you to. I want you to. It's like, take some kind of pill that makes you, that slows you down.
It's horrible! We are such fragile creatures. We have no idea how to even function without a little help from a sweetie.